Long-dated Bitcoin options and bulls continue to create headlines with their ultra-bullish wagers, but even they must concede that the chances of BTC trading beyond $60,000 in the coming months are slim. Hey folks, welcome back to Facts. Today, we are going to talk about a very bullish news that will, in short, take Dogecoin to the moon. Without further ado, let's dive in. Before heading forward, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The Ethereum hard fork rally has outperformed Bitcoin. This is self-evident as Ethereum consistently outperforms Bitcoin. So the London hard fork is alive, and the Ethereum bulls are in charge of the $357 million options expiration on Friday, that is 6 August. So if Ethereum can continue to rise, the bulls will have the upper hand. However, this could indicate a short squeeze, which could push the price of Ethereum to $3,000 or higher. If not, we might see a bit of a sell-off in the morning, early afternoon or so, before things start to get up in the evening, as we do on Fridays. Because options expire on Friday, there is usually volatility. On August 6, JP Morgan said that a select financial advisor had been given permission to begin placing private bank clients into a new Bitcoin fund formed with crypto business. So what they're doing is secretly allowing their clients access to a half-dozen crypto funds. These are for their private banking clients who are wealthy. It's fantastic to see banks expanding their cryptocurrency offerings to their customers. This is a significant step in the right direction, as we witness it every week. With banks and financial institutions, there is no new form of exposure to cryptocurrency. And if this happens every single week, every single day, it suggests that much more money will be invested in cryptos, bringing the total crypto market cap back above $2 trillion very soon. When we look at the Bitcoin Exchange's reserve chart, we can see that the price of Bitcoin is at the top and the level of Bitcoin on the exchanges is at the bottom. The value of Bitcoin exchange balances has plummeted dramatically. We haven't witnessed a major crash in a long time anytime we see a massive crash. It occurs a few days following a significant price increase. The last time we had a significant fall and the balance of Bitcoin in the reserves was around the end of October, and what happened was a massive plunge, followed by days of quickly rising Bitcoin prices. As a result, we are witnessing a huge crash. What this means is that because a large amount of Bitcoin has been removed from exchanges and placed in cold storage, things are about to get crazy for cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. This is a warning indication that things are going to get insane. It could be days or a week before it happens. On the exchanges, the Ethereum balance is rapidly depleted. For Bitcoin, Ethereum, and certain other cryptocurrencies, there is a supply deficit. That is why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies have been able to appreciate so much. Because of supply and demand, the entire crypto market, including your favorite cryptocurrency Dogecoin, and whatever your favorite crypto is, becomes more exciting. This will undoubtedly benefit the entire crypto market to a large extent. So we see on-chain statistics for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two most popular cryptos, indicating that things are set to take off. We see a significant reduction in the price of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a variety of other cryptocurrencies. So what exactly does this imply? So, in a nutshell, this refers to the exchange's balance. There's crypto on exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or whatever it is, and when it's gone, it means individuals are withdrawing it from their exchange wallets and storing it in cold storage. They believe something significant is about to happen. They want to ensure that their cryptos are safe and secure, and they want to keep their cryptos for a long time. These are folks that believe in their cryptos since they know it's a good long-term investment. As a result, they prefer to keep it in their wallets. So, exchanges only have a finite amount of cryptocurrencies in their wallets that they have access to, and there may be such a scarcity of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies that exchanges may never have cryptocurrencies. forcing over-the-counter transactions, or there may be very little, in which case the prices of those cryptocurrencies will be worth a lot of cryptocurrencies. That is why Bitcoin has the potential to reach $1 million value. That's why a single Ethereum coin might be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So when we see this kind of data, we know it's a significant sign of a supply and demand shortage, which results in a massive price surge in that coin. It might not happen right away, it could come a week later, but rest assured, it's a warning sign that things are about to get out of hand. If we look at cryptocurrencies, we can see that Ethereum has gone up for roughly 15 or 16 days in a row, which has never happened before for Ethereum. It's because of this massive upgrade that this is happening. It's burning thousands of Ethereum per day, and it's making it deflationary. Ethereum is carrying the entire market because it is disconnected from Bitcoin, which means that while cryptos were falling, Ethereum was rising. We're in a downtrend, so we jumped up a little bit and then fell back down again, this time off the same level of support. But take a look at this, we've broken through our level of resistance from the double bottom, indicating that a massive potential breakout is about to occur, potentially bringing us up to about $3,000. The next degree of resistance is $3,000. The FOMO is about to settle if we start to break $3,000 and receive a lot of volumes. Things are going to get crazy for Ethereum, which might push it up to $4,400 in the next 60 days. Bitcoin is breaking out of the 40K range and establishing a bullish flag on the 30-minute chart. A large spike up followed by a brief stabilization period, implying that we may see this again to push us past resistance levels. We can see something that would get us near to 44,000, almost 45,000, which is our next Bitcoin price goal. If that happens, Dogecoin may rise to around 23 to 24 cents, and if we receive a tweet from Elon Musk while things are pumping and he says anything like release the Doge or some cool type of meme, rest confident that Doge will rise another 10 or 20 cents. Most importantly, take a look at Dogecoin. It's remarkable to see that we're approaching a triple bottom. The bullishness of a triple bottom is considerably greater than that of a double bottom. We are incredibly thrilled about what is about to happen with Dogecoin. Dogecoin's price is currently battling a crucial resistance level, which, if broken, will pave the way for more gains. However, the upside appears to be limited due to the presence of a large supply zone. Dogecoin's price has achieved 3 lower highs since June 25, indicating a fading bullish trend. We can see that Doge is currently marking a lowering resistance level by drawing a trend line between these swing points. Surprisingly, the 21.3 cent resistance level is the same as the previously mentioned supply barrier. As a result, a crucial 9-hour candlestick close above this confluence will show the presence of bulls, clearing the way for further upward movement. Investors should keep in mind, however, that the price of Dogecoin is predicted to grow 20% to 25.5 cents to 29 cents, which is the supply zone. In some cases, this surge might return to the 27.3 cent resistance level, which represents a 30% rally from 21.3 cents. If Doge bulls fail to break through the falling trend line and the horizontal resistance level at 21.3 cents, a retracement is expected. The support hurdles at 18.7 cents and 18.2 cents are the most likely prospects to end the correction. Dogecoin's price will plummet to 16.8 cents if the selling pressure continues. While a reversal from this area is likely, market participants should be mindful that a breach of the previously mentioned demand barrier will invalidate the uptrend and might result in a drop to 15.7 cents. It appears that we will see 21 to 22 cents. Things may get a little crazy this weekend, and they will get a little crazy tonight. So stay tuned, we'll have to keep an eye on what's going on, but things are looking really positive right now. The resistance level for Dogecoin is approaching. We have a resistance level of roughly 20 cents. That is going to be our resistance level. If we can break through that barrier, we can easily begin to climb back up and see some higher figures. Before we end this video, allow us to show you the comment of the day. This comment is by Andre Alston. Andre says, "Dogecoin for life. Elon, I love you, brother. Thank you for giving hope to the hopeless." We hear you, Andre. What do you all say about it? Where will it move next? Comment below and let us take it ahead. We hope the video was helpful and informational. If you liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification to stay updated on our upcoming exciting contents. Until next time, everyone.